In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update Bling app to the latest version. So if you want to get the latest features that comes with Bling app, you need to go ahead and look for an update. If it is available, then update it. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. All right, let's get into it. So here I'm in my Bling app. I've just opened, though I've not signed in, but I'd like to go ahead and look for any update. To do so, go ahead and search for the app either through Google Play Store or App Store. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and look for this app through Google Play Store. So I'll tap on Google Play Store and then I'll search for the app, and here you can see Bling video chat app is here. Now to update or get the latest version of this app, you need to go ahead and tap on update. So if you see return update, it means you have been using an outdated version of Bling app which is not secure and it might just have bugs. So to update it, go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Bling app and then install it on your smartphone. Now once the installation is done, the update button will turn to open. So if you go ahead and open, now you'll have the latest version of Bling app. So that's how you can get the latest version of Bling app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.